got this. I don't have to tell her anything.
There we go.
Welcome back, everybody. If this is your...
We went over it.
Oh, we did good. If this is your first time joining us, I am Nina. This is Caroline, and behind the camera driving the boat is Josh.
Oh my goodness.
We are about to do our first trot line run in a good while. Here, you're good, you're good. Just use the handle to grab the line.
But we're over it.
That's okay.
There.
It'll, the
you're
boat will back up. If you guys don't know what a trot line is, you tie one end of the line to one bank, tie the other end to the other bank, and then you sink it with bricks. Put bait all along the whole thing. It's pretty simple. It's a lot of fun when we catch something. Caroline is going to run us today. Josh and I came out last night and baited in the rain. We've got prime fishing weather, so
Here's some missing bait.
that's good. That's promising. Water's low right now, low too. We're hoping this is about as low as it gets. If it gets any lower, we won't be able to use the boat launch. We might get skunked today.
Maybe.
Nothing?
No.
Ah, bummer. Alright, you
Yeah,
rebait?
there should have been something.
I know. Well, we do have some missing bait. Like right here is missing bait. We'll come back tomorrow. Alright, y'all. Day 2. Feeling lucky. The weather's been just right, so.
There's a giant log hanging out in the center of the river too. I want that.
You want that log?
I do.
I've seen that too.
We're gonna have to like let the line down to let it go over. Yeah, you feel any tuggy?
I don't know.
We're missing
Maybe.
we're missing a
I
lot
can't
of bait.
tell.
That one's been shredded.
You know, the brick sometimes doesn't confuse me.
Missing a lot of bait.
No, I don't really feel tuggy.
Man, skunk 2 days in a row. Ooh, red-tailed hawk, that's a good sign.
Getting that log though.
What are you gonna do with that log?
I'm gonna put it on my wood lathe.
We skunked.
It's a
Skunk
nice
again. Ah.
looking. It looks heavy though.
Alrighty. Hold that right where it's at. That is turtle damage.
All of them. This one looks like that too.
I think we need to actually pick the line up a little bit and get it
Off
a
the
little
bottom.
further off the bottom. Because yeah, turtles, they won't really swim up and nibble at stuff. They like it when it's down on the ground in front of them, and that's definitely turtle, so.
Yeah, look, they've been taking
Right.
some nice little bites out of these guys.
What are we gonna do with a 1,000-pound log?
That's like weighs more than.
It absolutely does.
Josh, you're not gonna be able to put that in the boat.
It'd probably sink us. It's not.
Babe, I wish we had something neat to put on it to like send it on its journey. You are not leaving that.
Yeah, I am.
Why?
Why not? Someone's gonna be like, "What in the hell? Why?" Someone's gonna be.
I mean, I'm asking myself that
Baffled.
same question right now. What in the
Because
hell
there's
and
gonna
why?
be a story someone's gonna make up about this and be like, "I wonder what happened." We're gonna hear about this on the local news.
This is gonna be on the local news. All right,
Do your best.
maintenance day. These rocks weren't a problem until the river dropped so much.
Yeah. Good job, babe.
Thank you. All right, y'all. Day 3.
That looks heavy.
It's not too bad. Nice and tight.
That's what he said.
Missing our bait though.
There could be one down there.
There better be one down
There
there.
fucking better be. Sucks, man. Top shot.
Rebait. I think put one of the big pieces here on this end.
Yeah. Are you trying to bait me? I'm a master at it.
Nah. That'll stay on the hook for a few days too.
I hope so.
That's nice. If I was a hungry catfish, I'd eat that.
Right? I mean, why
Oh,
not?
that just fell apart.
Oh,
That's disgusting.
that's nasty.
Alright, moving on. I hate that.
Ah, it's in my mouth.
Mm-hmm. Plunks right up in your face. Alright, this is day 4. Getting to the point where I have to wear my waders to push the boat out because there's not enough water to keep the motor from bumping. And we keep getting forecasts for rain, but it just keeps not actually raining. Oh! There she be. I'm gonna be real upset if we don't have a fish today. Like even just a small one, I'd be okay with that.
That's not what she said.
Huh?
That is not what she said.
Come on, man. Doesn't look good.
Mm. Damn.
Weather's right, the moon is right, the water's right.
Fish aren't.
Nope. Could be the bait, could be the depth that we're fishing at.
Sorry, babe.
I really thought we'd have one today. Alright, I guess let's rebait. Alright, y'all. We're only 3 days from leaving for Kaua'i, so we came to bring our line out of the river so that we're not, having anything caught on it like while we're gone. And believe it or not, after getting skunked for 4 days in a row,
We got
we
lucky.
actually have a fish on somewhere down this line. And he seems pretty strong, so.
Let me get the net ready.
Oh yeah, look at him.
Hang on. All right.
It's a nice blue cat. Look at him.
Dang.
I know, it kind of makes me want to fish for another day before we leave.
Huh.
I don't know if we're going to have time. Guys, we haven't even packed yet.
Probably not. Ooh, okay.
We got some fight.
He's pissed.
Here, do you want me to net?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, he's mad. He's mad.
All right, I got the net. Oh, don't jump out. Don't jump out.
You're good. I got the line. Woo-hoo. That's a good fish for getting skunked several days in a row. Alright.
There he is. Good God.
Let me get this unhooked.
Mhm.
Bums me out because we're still going to have to remove this line.
Mhm.
Hi, guy. Welcome to the boat.
He is a good one.
Josh definitely took the nasty job there. Most of these hooks still had bait on them and they're all river-fied and gross, so got a lot of nasty things that we have to handle. don't even know what that
Ugh.
is.
It's been in the mud too. It's probably not good. Ah.
Alright, one more and we're clear. Why do we have to catch a fish for one day that we have to be done fishing?
Just our luck.
Alright, well, I'll get this, get the bricks off, get this line all reeled up. We're gonna tie it right back in the exact same spot when we come home. Alright, bite me. Bite me. You know you want to. Alright. That is
That's a
a nice
big
fish,
walleye.
y'all. Very, very, very nice fish.
Start bringing a scale.
Heck yeah. Very nice. He's heavy too. Like he's got more weight to him than what he looks like. He's been eating
I
really
got a
good.
lot
Look
of
at that
food
belly.
in there.
I think we might should keep this guy for the fillets.
I think so.
Hi.
Yeah. Pretty.
Alright guys, normally we would probably throw this guy back, especially with us leaving town, but I've had a couple people up north of me really wanting some catfish fillets. We were hoping for a flatty or for a channel, but this guy will do. Once you bread it and fry it, put lemon all over it.
Fish is fish.
Fish is fish. Catfish is catfish anyway. I mean, it ain't gonna be a tuna steak, no matter how hard you try. But man, I'm glad to see him. Alright, get him home.
Yeah.